Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Heart-Filled Kitchen. Well, if you're looking for a quick and easy dinner recipe that's also fun to make with the kids, well, look no further. With just a handful of ingredients and a few simple steps, you'll have this delicious hot dog casserole on the table in no time. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the simple recipe. First, you're going to grab a can of regular crescent rolls, and you're going to separate each of the triangles. Now today I'm only making 5, so I'm putting them together this way. So depending on how many hot dogs you're going to make is how many crescent roll triangles you're going to need. Okay, once you have your crescent rolls divided up, we're going to top each one with some shredded cheese. This can be shredded cheddar, any of your favorite shredded cheeses. Next, just lay a hot dog on each one of the crescent rolls and roll it up. This is where it's fun to get your kids involved. You really can't mess this up. Now that we have all the dogs wrapped, we're going to grab a 13x9 casserole dish, then grab a can of your favorite hot dog chili and spread it in the bottom of the dish. Next, just go ahead and place those dogs right on top of the chili. Now for the next step, and please don't skip this step, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave and give it a good shake with some garlic. Now this is the secret ingredient to this recipe. Now take that garlic butter and spread it on top of each one of the dogs. And don't be shy. Now that they're coated well, let's go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit more cheese on top. Now we're going to cover that and bake it for 35 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Then you'll uncover and bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. Not only is this casserole quick and easy to make, but it's also budget friendly and can easily be customized to your liking. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe and you think you'll be giving this hot dog casserole a try, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Thanks again for stopping by today, friends. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!